This is the conventional.
This only for eucalyptus oil. देखिए हमको ऑयल का बारे में से आपको 2 मिनट आपको समझाएगा ऑयल कैसा बनते। तो ग्रीन टी ये क्या करेगा, ये पत्ता को ऐसा लेके इसमें
ग्रीन टी टेस्ट करिए। ये 2 कप के एनी टाइम यू वांट जस्ट कॉल मी।
Some specimen kept here. Wow, this smells so nice. Brooklyn Tea Factory.
The process is finished. Green leaf.
Yes, we have stopped here at the small tea factory, and they manufacture eucalyptus oil as well. Let's see that.
Which oil?
This is the conventional
This only for eucalyptus oil.
eucalyptus oil extraction plant.
देखिए हिंदी।
My channel is all about Hindi.
अच्छा देखिए हमको ऑयल का बारे में से आपको 2 मिनट आपको समझाएगा ऑयल कैसा बनते। आपने जो देखा हुआ ऊटी से अभी आने के रास्ता में लंबा लंबा झाड़ देखा, उसके नाम बोलते हैं यूकेलिप्टस ट्री बोलते हैं उसको, ड्राई लीफ। ये लीफ जो ऐसा झाड़ से सूखा होता है, सूखा होने के बाद ऐसा नीचे गिरेगा ना, वो गिरने के बाद ऐसे लीफ को लेके आके लेके ये ड्रम का कैपेसिटी टाइम बनने का, इसको ऊपर खोलेगा, ये लाग सब निकाल के इसको ऊपर खोल के इसका अंदर 250 किलो पत्ता को डाल के 200 लीटर पानी, ये दोनों डाल के इसको पूरा बंद करके इसके नीचे से हम लोग को जलाती। इसके नीचे कौन सा पत्ता में जलाते, ऑलरेडी ऑयल निकालने के बाद इसका अंदर हम लोग को रिमूव किया ना, वो लीफ को इसके नीचे जलाने से क्या होता, ये पत्ता पानी दोनों ऐसा उबाल के स्टीम आ जाता। स्टीम आके या ठंडा पानी है, पानी जो ऐसा खोलना तो वहाँ से स्टीम आती है ना, स्टीम आके या ठंडा होती, ठंडा होने के बाद ऑयल एंड वाटर दोनों नीचे आएगा। ऑयल वाटर दोनों नीचे आने के बाद क्या होता, पानी का डेंसिटी ज़्यादा, ये पानी जो ऐसे नीचे चल के ऑयल ऊपर आ जाती है। दिख रहा, वाटर इज डाउन, ऑयल अप, दिस ओनली फॉर यूकेलिप्टस
Surface tension.
दिस इज द ऑयल एंड वाटर, ऐसा पानी नीचे गया तो ऑयल ऊपर आ जाता। इसके बाद सिर्फ हम लोग को ऑयल को ऊपर निकालना पड़ेगा। ये यूकेलिप्टस क्या काम है, दिस ओनली कोल्ड एंड कॉफ, कोल्ड कॉफ ये टेक। और ये वाला जॉइंट पेन ऑयल, दिस ओनली फॉर जॉइंट पेन, बैक पेन, शोल्डर पेन, नी पेन, मसल्स पेन, दिस नेम ऑफ द गलती एरिया, यू नो, मूव, आयोडिक्स, वॉलिनी, वो सब इसमें से बनते हैं। उसके देखने के पानी जैसे दिख रहा, ये यूकेलिप्टस वो झाड़ है, उसको रूट से बनते हैं। ओके, और ये वाला ईना मीन ओनली माइग्रेन, वन साइड हेडेक, वीजिंग, ऑस्थमा एंड साइनस। ईना एंड हेना मतलब मेहंदी में डालते हो, हालांकि दिस ईना, दिस एंग लीफ फॉर ईना, ये कच्चा लीफ से बनती है। ये 3 ऑयल तो हम लोग के इधर ही बनाते। आप लोग ये कंपनी का आउटलेट है, हमारा ब्रांड तो ताज सिल्वर ओक ऐसा ब्रांड से बनती। यहाँ पे आपको चाय कुछ पीना लेना तभी अंदर मिलेगा, वहाँ पे आपको अंदर जाके दीजिए प्लीज।
Thank you very much.
ये ग्रीन टी है।
वो ग्रीन टी ये क्या करेगा, ये पत्ता को ऐसा लेके इसको स्टीम में बॉईल कर दे। बॉईल होने के बाद ऐसे ऊपर डालेगा, अभी थोड़ा पावर कम है, नहीं तो ये मशीन इसको चला कर दिखाएगा। इसमें से फैन है, नीचे फैन चलाते, ये फैन चलाने से पत्ता पानी पूरा सूख जाएगा। सूखा होने के बाद ऐसा मशीन से डाल के इसको क्रशिंग होती है। क्रशिंग के बाद या तो ओवन का अंदर डाल के इसको रोस्टिंग करते। दिस इज ऑर्गेनिक ग्रीन टी।
This is their store.
ऐसा अभी कैसा रखा हुआ है, ऐसे सब हम अंदर जाके देखो, आज वो सारा बताएगा।
And this is their outlet where they sell their products from tea, green tea, eucalyptus oil.
टेस्ट करिए। इसमें क्या है, शहद और लेमन, ग्रीन टी, पानी।
Yes. These are a few variants of the tea versions.
मसाला टी। बनाने का तरीका क्या है, ये 2 कप के लिए 1 चम्मच, 2 कप दूध, जितना चीनी चाहिए वो भी डाल देने का। अच्छी तरह दूध को उबालिए, इसको नहीं डालना। जब दूध उबल जाता है आखिरी में इसमें से 1 चम्मच डालिए 2 कप के लिए, फिर 2 मिनट के लिए उसको पकाना है। तो चॉकलेट की खुशबू आएगी, कलर चेंज होगी, छानने का। सेम लाइक ये 80-20, 80% दूध 20% पानी
Okay.
डाल के सेम लाइक चीनी भी डाल देने का, उबालने का, आखिरी में इसको डाल के 2 मिनट के लिए पका के छानने का, सेम टेस्ट। बाद में एनी टाइम यू वांट जस्ट कॉल मी, वी विल सेंड बाय कोरियर नियर आउट,
Oh, is it?
पूरा इंडिया।
Okay. So no matter wherever you are, you can order it. घर बैठे आप ऑर्डर कर सकते हो बिंदास।
जी,
Thank you very much, sir, for the
थैंक
details.
यू।
Thanks a lot.
So this is the chocolate factory.
Cocoa,
Cocoa beans,
this is cocoa bean.
some specimen kept here, and this is a grinding machine. Different machineries.
नीचे है सर down.
So now you're going inside the chocolate factory.
You can go down. उसको वो आ जाएगा, आपको चॉकलेट का एक्सप्लेन करेगा
Okay.
नीचे।
Sure.
तो उसके साथ लेके जाओ, वहाँ बताएगा वो।
Wow, this smells so nice. Smell इतना मस्त है, देखना। Smell मस्त है।
Guys, यहाँ पे एंटर करते ही आपको स्मेल जबरदस्त आएगा।
The chocolate pieces.
So ये
being
देख
cut.
सकते हो, chocolate pieces.
Dark chocolate. They have their own chocolate factory. Yeah, these are roasted cocoa beans.
Roasted cocoa beans, which they will keep in the chocolates.
It's very nice. Smell is very nice, bro. So different types of chocolates here. Homemade Ooty chocolates. This is Kullu, right? Kullu chocolates. Jellies, nutty shaped chocolates. Ah, smell is so nice. Packet.
लेंगे क्या? लेंगे।
हाँ, लेंगे ना। मैं तो घर पे है। We are at Brooklyn Tea Factory. This is the spot.
The process is finished.
Okay.
So you will see only machines.
हाँ, that's fine.
Shifted the green leaf.
Conveyor belt. So they're moving the green leaves, and then they segregate the leaves and start the processing. This is a load of vehicle, a load of leaves that has arrived at the factory. They're loading fresh leaves here. Okay, you can read this here. It says it has a history of 90 years. Going into the factory, they said the processing is already done. We're going to just show you the machinery. Yes, in the shot on the floor.
To the white lift. So it's a lift. To the lift, you have this is withering truck.
Okay.
So the leaf dries here. We produce 3 variety of teas here: black tea, white tea, green tea. White tea, the first bud from the plant, that is 10,000 rupees, highly medicinal. Green tea, the first 2 buds from the plant, the tender leaves.
Okay.
These are for black teas. It has to be there for 50%, 12 hours it will be withering here.
Okay.
First process is withering.
Okay.
Now the fresh leaf they will be in the withering drum. After withering there are openers. Through the opener you manually put the leaves inside that.
Okay.
Like this. Okay. Like this. That goes to the crushing machine. We are going down now.
Okay. We work in corporate, but on weekends we are traveling as friends and then recording our memories.
Okay.
Withering as in removing moisture.
Yes.
To get crushed in the.
Yeah, crush the crushing machine. So this way
Yeah, we got stuck in the traffic. Thank you for still showing us around.
See, after withering through that pipe, it comes to the crushing machine. Okay. After crushing, there is a belt. To the belt, it goes to the fermentation machine. After fermentation, that is fermentation table. Fermentation table, it has to be there for 20 minutes. What is fermentation in the sense? The crushed green leaves, it turns black, which is exposed to natural air. That is happening in the second process.
Okay.
Okay, then it goes to dryer.
Fermentation, do you add any culture to it or?
Nothing.
Natural
We are not
fermentation.
adding anything. Since we are exporting, we are not allowed to add anything. This
Okay.
is only export. So since the fermentation table, it has to be there for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it turns black. Naturally, it turns black. After that, through the connector, it comes to the dryer. Dryer is here. After dryer goes up, the fiber extract comes out. What is fiber extract? The tough leaves, the stems, it all comes out. They're like this. This is fiber extract. The tough leaves and the stems comes out like this.
Okay.
Okay. After
This cannot be used in tea powder, right? It will
this-
be removed.
No, this is for manure purpose.
Okay.
Or vegetable growers, you know,
Or
they use it.
cattle.
Yeah, like that. So many purposes are there, but not used for tea. And after drying, it goes up. The fiber extracts come from the other side. And after that, through this connector, it comes there. Final process. Okay. So we get nearly 10 varieties of black teas, one type of process. All depends on size. The machine itself segregating all types of sizes. Depends on size. The price also differs. Taste also differs. For example, the dust tea is more stronger. Price will be lesser. The leaf tea is a lighter tea, but the price will be more. It's like that. The machine will segregate it.
So which one is the best, like the?
No, best depends
The
on
dust
your
one?
choice. We people prefer the dust one.
Okay.
So it is strong. Strong tea we prefer.
So
Capacity of this plant.
Yeah, the Brooklyn Tea Factory, 10,000 kgs of tea we can manufacture, but every day it's not happening due to lack of leaves. So we
Okay.
are buying from small growers. You know, these are they have their own small estates.
Ha,
So
ha,
they are
ha.
bringing like that.
Per day capacity is
Yeah,
10,000.
machine capacity is 10,000
Per day.
per day. We can produce.
10,000 kgs?
Yeah,
Kgs.
kgs.
Okay.
Sometimes we do that. Sometimes it's not happening because of shortage of leaves.
On an average, what is the regular amount?
Regular 6 to 7 thousand kgs.
Functional all 7 days in a week or?
Yeah, about 7 to 365 days in a year. And see now again that leaves after withering they will do it again.
so the employees will be working in shifts.
Yeah, employees. Okay. These are high quality machines, so the labor work is very less there.
All automated?
Yes, all automatic thing. And the inside packing section. Then we are not allowed.
Okay.
We have white tea, they are closed here. So they will have, see this one, these are the different sizes. We have white tea goes to China and different countries. Wherever will get order. Different sizes. Suppose if you are here tomorrow, you can come see.
No, tomorrow we are.
Early morning, we are leaving back to Bangalore.
Yeah, because beautiful.
Thank you so much for again being patient with us.
No, beautifully, very nicely, different process you can see. It's like,
We'll visit again definitely and then.
come,
Yeah.
come, you can come again. See, Kashmiri Kawa, one of the best green tea with the saffron spices mixed.
So you manufacture this as well?
Yeah. We have 40 varieties of teas.
40.
Yes.
So this mixture, like with all the ingredients you prepare here?
Everything. We have a garden of all the rose, whatever thing is.
Okay.
And that is the green tea leaves, like green tea leaves with all the mixture of spices, saffron.
Flowers also, I think so, right?
Detox tea, one of the best selling tea for digestion, it helps.
So demand more, like in each country and all detox.
All the countries actually we are not able to supply. We got lots of orders, and we have dukaan here. The customers come, they buy, and the online order also is there. So this is white tea. I told now one of the costliest but highly benefited.
So white is called as white tea.
Yeah, the first bud used for first bud. It has to pluck before 4 o'clock in the morning with the dew. It has a silver kind of hair in that. That gives the medicinal power.
That is the most expensive one, is it?
Yes, expensive, but people buy that. Tea tasting here.
Yes, guys. So this is Brooklyn's factory outlet. They have 40 varieties of teas available, and including oils as well. Well kept outlet. I'm buying the orange pekoe one. We tried their few varieties of teas. The most expensive was the white tea variant. This is wine?
Yeah, wine. We have wine also.
Okay.
There are dry grapes.
Okay. You manufacture it here?
Yes, we don't sell others products.
Okay, okay. Kochar tea and beverages. So these are all the equipment used for tea plucking?
Garden tools.
Garden tools, okay.
Garden also.
Okay.
This is laid to go there.
Okay, okay. This is saffron?
Yeah, saffron here. Premier quality saffron.
From Kashmir, right?
Yes. And one branch is there in Siliguri.
Siliguri, Assam.
Yeah.
So do you guys have a farm in Assam as well?
Yes.
How many branches you guys have there?
We have, but this is the main here. We have one small branches near Ooty, and this is the main. Like there, we won't allow tourists. If the tourist comes and buy, and they'll buy through online also.
Okay.
It's one of the best tea in
Online means you have any website also?
Yes, we have. See now, there's the number, and you can scan also.
And how many acres of plantation does
1,000 acres of plantation we.
Brooklyn?
Yes.
In Kunnur?
Yes. Kunnur
Assam?
all over Nilgiri, here and there.
Assam?
Assam nearly 500 to 600 acres. Just give me your time. You want this, no?
या भाई चाहिए तेरे को? हाँ वो अलग था ना ये 150
Here
में
one,
से
see, one.
Okay, I'll have one.
So, shall I make the same bill?
या
Okay, sir?